Well, YouTube, happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. I'm down here at my place where I do gigs and stuff. Today is a very special day because it is St. Patrick's Day. I got approval from Gershwin's, the owner. I will be playing bagpipes later today, so I'm going to try and video that for y'all. What's going on here? Let me check and see what's going on my... there we go. Had to fix my tassels. And also... And yes, sorry about the music, guys. It is Irish music, but you know, like what radio, TV, phono nut says. So today, I got a very special surprise for all of y'all. So last Monday, in fact, my bagpiper instructor, guess what? He opened up my middle tenor drone. So hashtag practice chanter for that and all that bagpipe stuff. Hashtag bagpipe practice chanter. I need to go ahead and get these pipes tuned. So I'm going to step out of the way. Step over here for a little bit so I can tune these pipes. Because they open at 11, but I went ahead and arrived early. As early as I can because I need to tune these pipes and get them warmed up.
I am.
Yeah.
Sorry. I am.
No, don't be sorry. That's good.
No. I'm. The reason why I am early is because I am having to tune back. I'm tuning my bagpipes to get ready and warming, getting them up to temperature.
No problem.
All right. Yeah, I am. You're on video too. So sorry about that. Sorry about that, YouTube.
Go for it. Keep going.
All right, you're good. Sorry about that, YouTube. That was my manager actually from Gershwin's. Yep. All right. He was just letting me know that I was early, so which is actually a good thing because I can tune these pipes up. Hashtag practice chanter. Yeah. All right. Let's fine tune these pipes up a little bit.
YouTube. I will be filming I will actually be filming the gig later on. For now, I'm going to put my bagpipes away. I'm not going to close them. I'm going to put them away, though, and let them acclimate a little bit. Alright, and there we go. We warmed up, tuned them up, ready for some rowan tree. So there we go. Alright, there we are. What a great way to start our St. Patrick's Day. So thanks for watching, and more to come later.